take us along. We get Angel Rosada and number 1, Sean Muscatello. So they're back. They're going to be moving from what will be your right to left on your computer screen. Lucatina's got it teed off. It's a bit of a hazy night. Actually, perfect night for high school football. And we're glad to have you here on the Worldwide Blue Devil Network. As the whistle's blown, he's approaching the ball. Foot underneath this line drive kick that goes in and out of the hands of Gross. He picks it up, falls down on it just outside the 10, and that is a sophomore, number 14, Derek Martin. He's a big fella, stocky fella. He's setting up. Looks like he's going to be in the shotgun formation. We got a couple guys wide on each side with let's say one guy in the backfield right behind Martin. The Hurricanes, they get set. Looking for the snap. Goes back to Martin. He gives it up the middle to the I-back. We'll get that name and number here.
Travis the ball carrier.
11, Travis Burgess. Second and 8 from the 15-yard line. And once again, they're in a no-huddle offense. They get set and they stand up. Looks like while the signal comes in from the sideline, they're still in the shotgun. With Burgess in the backfield. Again, they give it to him right up the middle. He's met by a host of Blue Devils just across the line.
The ball carrier.
You get a number here from the Blue Devils, and once again, it looks
Pass
like
made by number 55, Patrick Dillon.
Really looks comfortable there, middle of it.
And once again, they go into this semi-set position with no huddle, and they stand up, wait for a signal from the sideline. They have 3 guys spread very wide to the left. Devils showing blitz.
Oh, motion.
Quick hit pass from the quarterback Martin to number 7, Alex Summers. It's complete out. An interesting thing is Martin, the quarterback, went off the field, and now in at quarterback, it looks like number 12, Kenneth Squires, is in the backfield. He's also in the shotgun. They go with many different sets, but number 63 moved a little too quick. Julio Rivas, the right tackle, and that'll be an illegal procedure. Some names and numbers as we get familiar with them out here. Wrong count, snap goes back, they give it to the, they fake the handoff up the middle, quick pitch to the outside, drop for a low. Guys, for that is that we don't have the ball carriers either, but it's second and long, probably, and he's still in the shotgun formation, looking to throw, quick hitter over the middle, it's in and out of the hands of number 88, Dennis Clark, and he was wide. Still a real movement on the left side, no call, but they're throwing a long pass, incomplete, that is intended for number 3, Edwin.
Number 3, Edwin Mendez.
The Devils should start off with pretty good field position. Snap is back. Wobbly kick that's going to hit, and well, it actually goes out of bounds. Wait to see the mark from the officials, and the Devils are going to get a very favorable spot. It looks like a house in this bay. No, it wasn't first. No, this is the Chanel game. But in any case, first and 10 on the 27. Salter looking to throw. He's looking. He throws it over the middle, complete to number 85. Dropped it about the 14-yard line. And first quarter, no score. Devils in the wing T. That handoff on the quick hitter up the middle. It goes to Nick Ronaldo. His knee was down. Devils in the wing T. Handoff goes to number 23, Levante Dean. He slips, he gets inside the 5, he's down to about the 2. That'll be good enough for a first down. Mark, he probably... Salter's taking it around the left end. He gets down near the goal line. He's going to be stopped maybe a foot or so short of the goal line. Goal from the goal line. Salter takes the snap, pushes forward. Mark, it's time to cue up the band because the Devils are in the rock. And again, the snap is back, he places it down, the kick is up. To the band to kick it down. End over end kick it's down to about the 10-yard line. It looks like Burgess gets out over the 20, slips. Both teams have seen the field effect as there's a little bit of slipping and sliding due to a heavy rainstorm from yesterday. Again, as we mentioned, the Hurricanes use an interesting, they don't huddle. They go into a semi-set position, and then Derek Martin, the quarterback, gets a signal from the sideline. He stays in a shotgun. He's running an option. He pitches it to number 11, who is Travis Burgess. Hurricanes spread three guys extremely wide to the right side. Martin rolling to the right, and it's kicked off. It's kicked off. It's right into the hands of number 44, James Soretti, and he returns it inside the 20-yard line. And
intercepted by number 44, James Soretti.
We see Mr. Salter setting up in the shotgun formation. The snap is back. Hands it to the second man through, and a lot of running room for Levante Dean, who just barrels down inside the 5, inside the 2, down to about maybe the 1 yard. I liked seeing the wrinkle by using the shotgun because it threw them off. Salter's back under center. He hands it to Ronaldo, who's hitting the backfield and probably gets back to the ball carrier. One of the things I have to say about he's tough. Salter under center, Hurricane showing blitz. Salter's trying to get outside on the right, and he does get over the end zone.
Number 5, Jason Salter had a keeper, touchdown Wickliffe.
So a snapper, and it's in a bit of a funny area of the field where it's kind of slick there. The high snap, it's back. Good rush, but he gets it up.
The keeper is good, making his call with the one.
Strong in this thus far as three guys back, high end over end kick. It's going to come down. It hits and is bobbled back at the 10-yard line where number 18 picks it up. He's got some running room. He's on his way. He's across the 40, the 45, the 50. He's on his way for a long touchdown down to the 30, the 20, the 15, 10, 5 touchdown for Brooklyn is Andrew Gross. Number 4, who we don't have a name for, is on the private corner. Oh, I'm sorry, Joe Kordick. The snap is back.
Wickliffe High School.
Wobbly kick that comes down. Dean picks it up at about the 15. He's across the 20. He's got a host of blockers in front of him. He's still on his feet, fighting across the 30. He's brought down at the 32. It looks like to the left side. Salter's under center. The handoff hands to Dean, who slips, gets over left tackle, gets out.
Levante Dean, the ball carrier.
At the slip and slide part. Still at the 33, Salter looking to throw. He's rolling, he fires, in and out of the hands of Ronaldo, who was open at the 40. 18-7, Devils on top thus far. Salter looking to throw. He lofts one out there. It's complete to Dean, who's out to about the first down marker.
Jason Salter pass is complete.
I would have been asking myself. First and 10 at the 43. Handoff to Dean. He's trying to get outside on the left. He gets across.
Levante Dean.
Score here from Wickliffe Memorial Field. Getting a bit misty up here on the ridge. Salter looking, he's going to keep it. Running up the middle. He's over the 45. Out to about the 47. Salter looking to throw. A little bit of a rush on. Good block. And throw and completion. Down to looks like number 24. Cody Adams pulled it in. And Mark, without the block, he's sacked. The handoff goes to Ronaldo. He's like a tank mark as he gets over between left guard and left tackle. He's down to about the 27-yard line, 2nd and 1. That wing T backfield. Ronaldo takes the handoff. He's up the middle. He's down to the 20. He's down to the 15, the 10, the 5. He's moving. He's into the goal. He's over the goal line.
Ronaldo really set it up for the free block.
Martin, the snap is down to I agree. Lucatina, high end overhand kick. It's going to come down. Gross has it at the 15. He's trying to shoot up the middle. He's hit. Brought down at about the 30. Dean Shreddy was in there. Mark in the back there. He's in a shotgun. He takes the snap, tries to go up the middle himself, breaks a couple tackles, but maybe gets just outside. They spread too wide to the right, too wide to the left. Gross in a single back formation as the snap goes back to the quarterback. The pitch it wide to Gross. He's across the 35 to 40. He's out near the 50. Run out of just inside Wickliffe. I'm sorry. In the shotgun formation at quarterback as the Hurricanes now are signaling in the play. They've got two guys wide to the right. And you can see all the guys, they look at those wristbands when the plays are called. They've got two guys wide to the left and right. The snap goes to Burgess, tries to run up the middle, and he's met immediately as he gets to about the 43-yard line. Same here. So they're throwing a number of different looks at the Devils here early. The snap goes back. Burgess hangs onto it. He's going to get down close to about the 40-yard line as he tries to swing it wide. And looks like Marcus play in. They never go into a huddle. The snap goes to Burgess. He takes it. He's got the first down. He's inside the 35. Brought down to the 1st and 10 for Brooklyn at the 33. Looks like they're changing the play.
Oh,
There's a lot of movement. There should have been a flag. As Burgess looks left-handed, he completes the pass to number 18, Andrew Gross, in the shotgun formation. Calls for the ball. He's looking to throw. Left-handed, he's going to get hit. Dropped for a loss at about the 30-yard line. Outside the 30. A good rush there by Marcus West. 7 for the Hurricanes at the Wickliffe 29. Martin back in the quarterback. Now half the team, like Martin was calling for the ball. Half the guys moved, half of them didn't. And so that'll set the Hurricanes back. 3rd and 12. Martin has it, looking to complete it. He drops the throw down the field. Martin back in a quarterback. The snap to him. Oh, and it's a the old quick kick. As they snap it to him, he punts it, and it's going to get down just, you look quite well. There's a possibility, second half, you may see you back in there.
Well,
Salter hands it to Ronaldo, who just a minutes to go here in the first half. Devils in that wing tee. Salter keeping it himself. Breaks tackles as he gets out over left guard, out over the 30-yard line to about the 32. That's going to be another carry good enough for the first down. 3-4 years. He's very multi-dimensional, and this offense suits him perfectly. Because as you can see, he can do many different things, and he's a good ball faker. The handoff goes to Mark. Should we call him Tank Ronaldo? Because they just gave it to Ronaldo again up the middle. He's got first down yardage. It looks like he's going to be, well, the official looked like he was going to mark it at about the 44-7. Blue Devils thus far. Salter looking over the defense. Long count. Quick pitch to Ronaldo, trying to swing it wide to the right. He's across the 50. He's inside about the 48-yard line. Now it's up, ready to get back to football. 2nd and 1. And here's Calvin. We have a lot of options here. We can do a lot of things as the Devils have it. 2nd and 1. Brooklyn showing blitz. Salter looking to throw. He sets. He fires over the middle. He completes it down to about the 40-yard line where Marcus West has it. It's really good tackle there for Brooklyn, but not before a new set of downs as the Devils have it 1st and 10 at the Brooklyn 41. They're moving the ball. They hand off up the middle.
Number 40, Nick Renell in the block area.
They had me faked out.
Remember the fake. He really followed through and faked it.
Yes, he did. As Salter tries to keep it himself, he's trying to swing it wide to the right. He's going to barely get back to the line of scrimmage. Jerseys and royal blue pants with a gold stripe down the side. Salter looking to throw, sets, fires, wide open to Ronaldo, the 30, the 30, 20, 15, 10, 5, bam, touchdown! Holy cow! Devils, you see that? He got it shot to 5, and one of the guys was at the goal line. As Lucatina's on for the point after the kick, it's blocked. As one of the outside. Last time Marcus thought Ross was going to get Ross is one of them. And we have a high end over end kick going deep, and it's going to go into the end zone.
Lucatina's kick goes into the end zone. For a touchback. Brooklyn will start.
Frankie, we need to see that he's done this. And to finish it off, Nick Renell with the goal line was just awesome. Just a wonderful, wonderful.
He moved.
Quite the highlight. As quick snap goes to Martin, who drops back to throw about his 15. He's got another shotgun. Quick tries to throw a quick out to number 7, but Marcus Buell, sophomore, this is I think like his second game. As he's throwing a screen pass, he completes it. To number 11. There's key back who happens to be a bit of mystery. Snap is back, almost blocked. Fair catch, called for D, muffs it, but falls on it right away at the Wickliffe 27-7 Blue Devils. Thus far the Devils have played the way we hope to see the Devils play. Salter's under center. Hands it to the first man up the middle. He's going to get across the 45 out to about the 46. So hopefully we won't see a replay of what happened out at Chanel. Devils send one wide. We got movement.
Oh.
The officials tonight are slower with the flags. Dennis Clark jumped into the neutral zone. Last week, Calvin, those officials, they were throwing flags before across the 50, 2nd and 2 at the Brooklyn 48-yard line. Devils have 2 guys in the backfield. Pitch it wide to Dean. Dean's across the 40. He's still on his feet. Second guy finally brings him down to about the 41-yard line. Not the 40. Never give up hope. Devils have it 1st and 10 at the Brooklyn 42. Salter hands it quickly to, it looks like Martini. No, he faked it. He kept it. He faked as Salter got off of right tackle to keep the other guys guessing. Down to a minute and a half to go in the first half with the 33. Quick pitch over the middle. And again, Marcus West, pass complete down to about the 23-yard line. That'll temporarily stop the clock. He's been right on the money. They're at the 22-yard line. Salter takes it over right guard. He's inside the 20 down to 15. It's going to be a gain of about 9. The clock is moving. 2nd and 2 at the 15. Salter hands it to Martini. He's inside the 10. He's down to about the 5. That's going to be good for a first down. Thus far, the Devils have answered quite well. Salter's under center. Brooklyn looks like they're
run.
The blitz. He fires into the end zone. Complete for the touchdown to number 82. Devin Boland. Mr. Salter, the holder. Joe Varach, the long snapper. Last time Brooklyn brought a blitz from right, looks like they're going to try the same thing. They were able to get in there and block the kick. And they're in the way. Now we're ready. The snap is back. The kick is up. And the kick is good. Lucatina's got it teed up at the 40. He kind of does a split kick down to about the 27-yard line where we'll get a number here for you for the Hurricanes as they get it out to about the 42-yard line. The host of Devils are in there bringing back Derek Martin still in there at quarterback. He's in a shotgun. He hands it to the up back. The ball's on the ground. And they're hitting it. Now's the point where it looked like we had Burgess. And thus far, it's been all Blue Devils. You guys will do your second half action. My partner, Mark Tennant.
For Hank. Burgett's kick, short one, and it heads up to number 12 for the Blue Devils. He's running up just about to the 35-yard line. That is looks over. He's Ronaldo.
Now we have a flag.
Not sure what's going on. Something walking over the official. Maybe they're just changing the ball out because it's wet. I believe maybe it's what
Where the hell they go?
Jason up under center. Long count. Takes the snap, give out to Ronaldo here on the near side. Nick fumbles the ball at about the line of scrimmage, but Levani Dean at the 23 was able to jump on that. It's Ronaldo on the last play. Jason Sauter up under center.
Oh, there's your postman.
Finally they get the last week, Mark, they were too quick with the flags, and this week they're in slow motion.
I believe that's the second call, and then number 88, Dennis Clark, is a little bit anxious.
High school bands tonight. We both awesome. Gotta say they were just tremendous.
Great job. Salter, handoff, Nick Ronaldo. Nope, fake to Ronaldo, and Jason's going to take it up the right side. And come up
still on his feet.
He's up to the 50, past the 50 to the 44-yard line. Number 5. I'm sorry, Jason Salter up under center at about the 44-yard line. And he fakes to Ronaldo, hands off to Dean, going on the left side, runs off tackles, carries 1, 2, 3, 4. Hurricanes with him, gets down and just about makes the first down. He just got past the first down marker.
Columbus and then Sunday downtown.
Chiretti split far left. Got Dean and Ronaldo in the backfield.
Oh boy.
Handoff straight up the middle. Nick Ronaldo on the right side. He's at the 10, the 5, 4, 3, 2 at the goal line. And they're signaling down about the half-yard line. Wickliffe at the half-yard line of the Hurricanes. Jason Salter up under center. Handoff straight up the middle. John Martini, I believe, touchdown. Blue Devils. Yep, number 32. John Martini. Touchdown. And no Mama Joyce out in the audience is going to be
a lot of confidence because next week they go out to Kinston and it'll be a tough one.
It sure will. Falls down, kicks up, and it's blocked once again. High snap though. The last two were a little.
And they're calling the Brooklyn Hurricanes what Chanel had last week.
Lucatina puts his foot into it, and it goes, I believe, to Lozada. And he fields the ball about the 20-yard line, gets all the way up to the 7-yard line. The Hurricanes will start first and 10. From the shotgun, Martin, hands off, straight up the middle. And looks like Travis Burgess he handed it to. Really not much there. He might even lost a yard. Looks like Marcus Buick got the play in the shotgun. He's got Burgess behind him. Calls out the signals. Once again, handoff right up the middle. Burgess, nothing fancy going there. Just some straight ahead football. John Martini, number 32. And Martin from the shotgun. Looks to his right, fires. And ball is caught at about the 40-yard line. That's going to be good for a first down. Number 7, looks like Alex Summers. You can read his jersey just fine from up here. His offensive line has done a good job keeping him upright all game long. Martin gets the ball, keeps it. He's just heading over to the right side and just taken down from behind by number 99, Marcus Buick. He got about 4 yards on that play. It's going to bring about a 6. Remember, number 14, Derek Martin, he is a sophomore. Right. Young kid, real young.
Now we have a flag down. Let's see what's going on. No. It's the same thing they called on Wickliffe.
About at the 38-yard line. It's going to be second down and about 12.
Looks like they're spreading it wide to the left with 3 guys.
Got Summers down here to the near side, part of that
Gross.
triple receivers. And look, Martin looks over, throws it, and it is intercepted by number 6, Justin Powell. Powell down the right side to the 30, the 35, the 20, the 15, the 10, 5. Touchdown!
Oh, wow. That was... He put it out there, but... Is Billy Klein.
The other quarterback. So Verace's got the ball down, Luca team to kick up, and it is good for this Blue Devil team. Just a stellar effort so far. Luca team has got the ball in the air, and I believe that's Burgess or Squire down at about the 20-yard line. He's going out to the right side, out to about the 35, up to the 36-yard line. Kenny Squires is behind him.
Game, this is his first year there. It's an interesting offense they run, although somebody moved a little early.
Burgess
call it.
Snapped the ball, he decided to keep and call his own number. Just he had a chance, Frank and I, to talk to him before the game. Nice young guy, and he's excited about his team. Burgess looks like
looks like Buick jump.
Looking over at Coach Baker once again. The play.
There must be something by rule where, because the entire team has to stand up when they look over, they get the signal, and then they all go back down to their set position.
From the shotgun, Burgess, nice snap, hands off, slip from the running back, but he's coming towards the near side. He's up over midfield. Nice run there for about 6 yards. And Kenny Squires behind the quarterback. And he's going to be the lead blocker. Hand off to number 21 once again. That is Jacobez. He's a junior.
Devils do some shifting on the defensive line.
And once again, fake handoff up the middle. And Birch is calling his own number, just going up towards the right side. Looks like Marcus Jr. And as Frank said, the Hurricanes get set, and then they stand up and look at their coach, Coach Baker, get the play called in.
Kind of reminds me of what Cincinnati used to do. They used to call that sugar huddle, remember?
They were doing that last night. And Burgess trying to sweep the left side. He wanted to run the option, tipped the ball for himself. Across the line of scrimmage. And 3 of them. Number 24.
Lincoln West quite well last week.
Burgess takes the snap, handoff right up the middle once again.
He's still on. He's still going.
Still on his feet. Looks like he's got to all the way. And we've got Derek Martin back at quarterback.
It's almost like they shift him in and out, you know.
Martin at quarterback takes the snap, pitches to his left.
Burgess.
And Burgess takes it to Patrick Dillon. Pat Dillon was right there. Martin in the shotgun once again, waiting on the ball. Quick pass over to his left, over to number 3. Nice play, completed the pass down to about the 10-8 yard line. That's Evan Mendez.
They take a long snap.
And he calls his own number right up the middle. And Travis Burgess gets the 3 yards. You've got Andrew Gross just to his right.
Oh, somebody moved.
And nothing doing, broken play. And he tries picking the ball up and running around to the near side. John Martin. Martin takes the snap, looking to his right, throw, long throw. Nice toss over there. And Mendez was over there, Tony Stevens. Nice during this one.
Just like we did 2 weeks ago.
And we've got 4th down now, 4th and goal from about the 13-yard line for the Hurricanes.
Still here.
Rolling to his left, looking, throws into the end zone, caught for a touchdown for the Hurricanes over Justin Powell. That might be.
It's been right there, but very well done.
Mordrick's kick is up, and it is good. And very well. Mordrick's kick, and it's a low kick. Hits it about the 25-yard line. Levante Dean picks it up. He's just about at the 20, crossing the 20, above the 30-yard line, and about the 34.
Number 23, Levante Dean on the return.
And Ross is going to be up under center. First down and 10 at about the 31-yard line. Ross hands off over to the left side. Not much there.
Number 42, Bill Baker, the ball carrier.
Run the ball a little bit. So they can pick up the first down. Martini hands off.
Number 32, John Martini, the ball carrier.
In the backfield, Grouch up on the center. Mike hands off the left side. Nope, calls his own number just off of right tackle. Not much there. And
Number 10, Joe Garage on a keeper.
2 yards. That's going to be fourth down.
Tackle in.
So you're right, Frank.
Had problem with this last
Oh,
one.
and he flipped, kicked the ball, and right into the hands of one of the Hurricanes, who's going to take it all the way for a touchdown. Oh, my.
That was crazy.
Touchdown
Angelo Pasquino, stop.
has been returned off of a bad snap. And Cordrick's kick is up for the extra
Kick
point.
is good, making it foul.
21 points has come on special teams. Well, they had a kickoff return.
Cordrick foot into the ball, and a kind of a short kick, squibber over to the left side,
Almost
and I
like
think
a-
they looked like they were almost trying to onside it.
It went out of bounds. We never
Ball
touched
out of
it.
bounds, and it's going to. You get John Martini in the backfield. Levante Dean maybe is back there with him as well. Garach. Handoff, John Martini near side. It's a nice game.
John Martini, the ball carrier.
3 yards and a cloud of dust. Tonight, a cloud of mud.
Second down and then about 5.5. Riverach fakes it right, but
Martini.
John Martini, the ball carrier.
that was nice fake.
Tackle made by number.
Like that.
Garach up under center.
I mean, what you're looking at right now is you're looking at next year's first team offense right now.
Levante Dean, the ball carrier.
Hand off to number 23, Levante D. And Brett calling the signal. Looking over the defense. Fumble the ball real quick, but then picks it up. Nice running right to the right side. And
Joe Garage on a keeper.
slipping out there. Cody Adams lining up in the wing position.
Now what are they,
Come on, there was nothing there.
now what are they going to call? This is
Flag on the play.
crazy.
Flag on the play.
They're
The
crazy.
Blue Devils are going to get called again, I believe, for lining up in the neutral zone
No.
You know, that, Mark, there,
for a first down.
it's amazing how I could be hundreds of feet away and see it better than the guy right there.
Gratch straight up the middle, and it looks like
Number 32, John Martini, the ball carrier.
You put your punter at a disadvantage. Again, high snap.
Mosquito gets it though, and he gets it off.
Nice kick.
High kick. Fielded at about the 15-yard line, and bringing it up all the way to about the 24-yard line. And Sargent is in there across the front line.
Martin still on quarterback for the Hurricanes.
Martin in the shotgun. Burgess behind it. Looks, throws here to the near side. Number 3 caught that touchdown before, I believe, and that was Mendez.
We might be setting up to send Mendez long.
Looking over the middle, and he's got
Nice.
number 18. Looks like he's got Gross right over the middle. Nice catch, just kind of a pitch and catch by him. Sefkins is throwing. Done a pretty good job, that sophomore. Martin from the shotgun throws. He's looking long. Nobody there.
I think that's where it looked like number 18.
And in the backfield in shotgun formation. Takes it, pitches on the option to the left side, all the way up the middle. And nice run for the Hurricanes. Heading out all the way to the Blue Devil 33-yard line. Martin looking to throw, looking. Looks left, incomplete. And about the 3-yard.
Special team.
Martin to throw. Just a short jumper over the middle. It looks like he's to Kenny Squires.
Derek Martin, pass is complete.
That
and it was a
The kick is good. Making it
Good positive.
hands guys up front. And yep, a little onside kick there, but the Devils cut a fly and it was Tommy Stevens, the quarterback. Got Martini in the backfield. And number 24, Cody Adams on the wing. Garage, hand out straight up the middle. I'm guessing
Maybe try to break one or something. They've got the wide side of the field on the left side.
Garage under center. Straight up the middle to John Martini, I believe. Real nice.
John Martini, ball carrier.
Over the 45-yard line.
Tackle made by number 12, Kevin Squires.
The clock is moving. Third down for the Blue Devils.
Stacked the line of scrimmage pretty good. Work on that.
Quick hitter right up the middle. And
John Martini, ball carrier.
Garage under center. Martini in the backfield. Calling signals. Long call. Once again, hand off straight up the middle to Martini.
Still on his feet.
John still on
Number 36, John Martini, ball carrier.
6-yard run there. Maybe 7 yards.
I think that's Martini. Let's give want to thank Calvin McDowell from the class of 1973 who stopped up and shared some Blue Devil memories with us earlier on the webcast. And congratulations to your brother Pat from the class of 1978.
Number 10, Joe Ross takes
One knee again.
Joe Ross takes the knee.
That is going to do it.
And that's Brooklyn 28. We hope you enjoy tonight's game, and please drive home safely.
I don't think it's 8 years in Denver. This is the first time that we've won the first 2 home games. One bad call away from being 3-0. Really, the Brooklyn team, a lot of young guys, and they're going to get a lot of experience, and they're going to do some stuff yet this year.